Now you can do business with a click of your mouse, thanks to TTBizLink, which is accessible via www.ttbizlink.gov.tt. An import duty concession allows a manufacturer to avoid payment of custom duties on imports of raw materials, machinery, or equipment. In this video, we'll go through step by step how to apply for this concession online. Once you're successfully logged in, you will see a link in red that says Import Duty Concession Subscribed. Click on the link. Please note, if the link is not highlighted in red, it means that you are not subscribed to use this e-service. Be certain that you wish to apply for an import duty concession and not a duty relief license, also known as a minister's license. The duty relief license is found in the Permits and Licenses e-service of TTBizLink and issued by the Trade License Unit. If you are unsure on how to proceed, please see the information box or contact our help desk toll-free at 800-4739. Once you're in the Import Duty Concessions e-service, your dashboard will appear showing information on recently submitted e-applications. To start a new e-application for an import duty concession, click Apply here. Please note you can also access applications for fiscal incentives here. Make sure that you select the correct e-application. You will see a pop-up window with TTBizLink's terms and conditions. Please read carefully, and once in agreement, click I agree to accept and proceed to the online application. Next, the application form for the import duty concession will appear on screen. There are several tabs: Company, Shareholding, Investment, Operations, Estimated Local Value, Manufacturer Details, and Summary Details. As you go through the form, click on each tab to fill in the relevant information. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory and must be filled out for the form to be saved and processed. If you make an error, a message in red will alert you to the error. Other sections have drop-down menus you can select from. Should you need more information about certain fields, just hover your mouse pointer over the info icon and an explanation will appear. If you're inactive for more than 30 minutes, a dialog box will appear and remain active for 5 minutes. If you do not respond to the prompt within this time frame, your online session will expire and you will have to log in anew to access your application. When you click the Company tab of the e-application, you will see this screen. Your application will not be saved as a draft unless you complete all the mandatory fields and you click the Save tab. Saving it as a draft means you can complete or amend it at a later time using the Search Applications/Drafts link on the main menu. Next, please scan and upload all required documents. You must upload the business's certificate of incorporation or its registration certificate. You will not be able to save the application as a draft without uploading this mandatory document. Remember to scan both sides of your uploaded documents where necessary. We accept uploads of no more than 1 megabyte per attachment. You may upload up to 10 attachments with supporting documents for your application. Once you click Attach Edit Documents, you will see this window. Click Browse to locate each file you want to upload from your computer. Select the file and click Open. It is helpful to enter a description of each supporting document in the corresponding field. Once you're done, click Submit and you will see your attachments listed. Should you ever need to delete an attachment, just click Remove. Be sure to select all files in the drop-down list to view files that may not be stored in an image format, such as PDFs or Microsoft Word documents. Remember to click Save at the end of each tab in order to be taken to the next section. The Shareholding tab looks like this. The Investment tab like this. This is a screenshot for the Operations tab. You will need to click the Compute Total button to complete this section. The Estimated Local Value tab looks like this. Please note that the costs to be included in this tab are only those incurred from outside of CARICOM. The value of raw materials, salaries, interest, etc. sourced within CARICOM should not be included. The Manufacturer Details tab looks like this. Please note that at least one section, either machinery and equipment or principal materials to be used in the process, must be filled out. In the Machinery and Equipment section, click Add Row to fill in the relevant details. To enter the machine's tariff code, click on the Get Tariff link to search the database of tariff codes. You can search by either 8-digit tariff code or description. However, don't forget to include the dots. If you're unsure of the tariff code, please consult your custom broker for guidance. Once you select the relevant item, the corresponding tariff rate percentage will appear with a description. For multiple items with the same tariff code, enter each item separately. The system accepts repeated tariff code headings, but the specific description of the item must be entered in the Description of Machinery and Equipment field. Make sure you enter the correct HS codes, as approval will be granted only for items under these headings. Click Save. For the principal materials to be used in the Process section, click Add Row to enter the necessary details and follow the same process as for Machinery and Equipment. Sometimes a tariff description can be very general and not make mention of the actual name of the item on which you want the concession. In this case, type in the common name of the item in the specific description field. For example, if you wanted banana concentrate to manufacture drinks, the tariff code is 2106.90.90, and the description that comes up is Other Food Prep Not Elsewhere Specified or Included. In this case, you should specify the actual item as banana concentrate in the specific description. As you did before, click Add Row for the Annual Production/Sales section. This section is mandatory and you must complete at least one row. Only identify the products your duty-free materials and/or machinery will be using for manufacturing. Once you click Save, you will be taken to the Summary Details tab, which looks like this. It will summarize the information you have entered in the previous sections of your application. At this stage, you should review your application and ensure that all the information is correct, as this is your last chance to make changes. Be sure to enter an email address that you check regularly, as you will receive updates via email. Additionally, you can enter a mobile number to receive SMS notification on updates to your application. Please note that there is a cost attached to this service. Read the terms and conditions and privacy statements carefully. To agree and submit, you must check each of the 3 boxes. Otherwise, the application will remain as a saved draft. Finally, click Submit. You will see a confirmation screen indicating that your application was successfully sent. Take note of your application number for future reference. If you want to search for your application, click on Search Application/Drafts. You can search by criteria like application type, application status, submission number, company name, or submission date. If your application is still in draft, the screenshot will look like this. You can make changes to a draft document. If your application has already been submitted, the screenshot will look like this. A sent application cannot be edited. You may only withdraw the application, assuming processing has not already begun, in which case the screenshot will look like this. The remarks field is mandatory and usually requires an explanation for the withdrawal. Once you have finished, click Submit. A screenshot like this one will appear. If the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Investment has already started processing your application, you'll receive a status like this one reading, Pending Decision from MTII Investment Directorate, in which case you will no longer have the option to withdraw your application electronically. You will have to call the Ministry and indicate why you wish to withdraw the application. To respond to an email query about your application, log in to your TTBizLink account and go to the dashboard where you will see the notification of the query. Click on Reply Query to view and respond. If necessary, click on Browse to attach supporting documents. Then, click Submit. Once a decision is made concerning your application, you will receive notification via the option you chose, that is, email or SMS. Follow the instructions contained in it. In cases of approval, you are usually instructed to contact the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Investment to collect a formal document of approval. For information on all e-services available, please visit our website at www.ttbizlink.gov.tt. If you need more information about applying for import duty concessions, contact the Investment Directorate of the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Investment. For technical assistance on using the TTBizLink service, please contact the help desk at 800-4-SEW or 4739. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. TTBizLink, business made easy.